guys, I would like to talk about the ORP meter. We have a device here which can show you the oxidation reduction potential. Here you can see, I hope it can be obvious for you guys. We have the ORP. As the ORP goes down, the minus the ORP, it means that it is more antioxidant. The ORP goes up, it is more oxidizing agent or rusting agent, which is not good for our health and for our body. So I would like to show you how these ORPs are going to be changed. First of all, you can see here, which shows the air ORP, and I want you to read the amount. It is like 400 something positive. What does it mean? It means that the air has the oxidation potential. So air is oxidizing. Now we go to the items that we do have here. We do have some different kind of drinks. Most of them you are familiar with. And we will try some of them for you to see. Oops. Okay. I will pour some Aquafina water, which is a very famous one in North America. Then we go to the Sunny brand, which is another water bottle, which is very famous as well and very expensive. Third item, we will try the Sprite, which is, I can say, one of the most famous drinks in North America that everyone uses. We have the tap water, the normal tap water here. And here we have the magic Kangen water. So now we're going to test the amount of ORP in all these liquids. Let us start from here. So we put this one inside the Aquafina bottled water. You can rate this one 500 near 60 positive, right? Okay. The next one, we're going to check how much the Dasani would be, 530 something positive. The next one will be the Sprite. You will read 560 something, again positive. What does it mean? It means they are all rusting and bad for our cells. We will have the tap water. Many of the people say that the Canada has the very good quality water, right? So we will check that one. 509 positive. Wow, it's too much rusting for the body, unfortunately. And finally, we will go to the magic Kangen water. As you can see, it's going down. The number is going down rapidly. What does it mean? It means that it's less rusting than the other liquids that we do have here, right? The more positive, it means more rusting. The more negative, it means it's antioxidant and it can give health and life to our cells, which is antioxidant. So we have 100 something, as you can see. So it was from 500 going down to 100. And if you are checking here, as you can see, it's going down again and again and again, and it will go to minus finally, right? Okay, minus 20 something. And I can leave it here. You will have until minus 600 even, minus 700. It means that it is super antioxidant and super beneficial for the cells of our body. And if we go again to the tap water, you will see the change. What will happen? Again, it's going up, it's getting positive. So the tap water, which meant to be a good kind of water, it's very rusting for our cells. I hope you enjoyed the demonstration. We'll see you. Okay guys, the next session I'm going to talk about the alkalinity for you guys. As you can see here, the more alkaline the subject would be, it is like the color will change to blue and purple. The more acidic the subject would be, it will change to from neutral, which is green color, it will change to yellow and orange color. It means that it is too much acidic. We want to try all of these drinks to see how they work in alkalinity matter. Okay, so first of all, we do have the Aquafina bottled water, which, as I told, is very famous in North America. So I will put some 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're going to check all of them and see the change. So Aquafina, famous bottled water in North America. Wow, you can see the color, right? Very yellowish. The other one, which is the Sunny, it's even more expensive. What will happen? Too much yellow, right? Acidic. We have the Sprite. Everybody loves it, right? Even we do have the Coke, which is very famous as well, but I want you guys to see the change in the color. That's why I go for the colorless brand. You can see this one. Super acidic. It's like orange color, right? We're drinking right away the acid, I believe. Now we have the tap water. The tap water used to be like neutral or a bit alkaline. So why it is going to be alkaline? Honestly, we should say that government is going to add some lye, some kind of potassium hydroxide to the water to change it to the blue color. Why? Because they have the concern regarding the pipes which do have the water inside. They don't want their pipes to be rusted, right? They are not concerning about our pipe, but concerning about their pipe, right? And finally, the amazing Kangen water. Wow, you can see the blue color. Not blue, it's purple, right? It shows super alkalinity. The more alkaline the liquid, the better the health of the body and the better the health situation of our cells. So right now I want to go to show you a magic what will happen after that. So as you can see, here we do have the Sprite, right? It is super alkaline, true? Okay, here we do have a supersonic acidic. In here we do have the Kangen water, which is super alkaline. So we have both sides right here. So what will happen? I want to pour some amount of this Kangen water, which is very alkaline, into the what we have drunk. Okay, great. Well done. Sorry for that, no change. And great again. So what happens if we drink these items in our body during the day? So after that, we are going to drink some kind of Kangen water. All of them are going to change, except this worst one, which is the Sprite. You can see it's too much acidic, so it cannot neutralize the alkalinity inside the body. It cannot be done, unfortunately. That's why we call this one the cancer in the bottle, right? Now we are going to see another change, which you will be shocked for that one. So this is the Sprite. We are pouring some amount of the Sprite. Wow, this one, oh my God, what happened to this? We have drunk some amount of normal water, normal tap water. What happened? And even super alkalinity. Oh my God, it's like what? It means that when you are drinking this one, unfortunately, definitely you will have all acidic in your body only. That's how it works. So kindly do not drink the Sprite, Cokes, any kind of drinks that they do have bubbles inside. Thank you so much for watching. Okay guys, now we want to see here the difference between different kinds of water in bringing out the extract of the tea. Normally what we do when we want to have some tea, we will go and boil some kind of water, right? Why we do that one? Because we want to break down the molecules of the water to the smaller ones. Then this boiled water can go and bring out the extract of the tea much better. Here we are going to show you amazing experiment regarding that one. All of these items that are here are, you can touch this one and you can see that all are room temperature. None of them are very hot or very cold. All of them are room temperature. So here we do have some kind of green tea. Why use the green tea? Because normally it's more hard to bring out the extract of the tea from the green tea when you want to compare to black tea, for example. So we do have the green tea here. I will open 2 of them. This is the second one. And we'll do the experiment to see what will happen. Okay. We put this green tea inside this and see what will happen. This is the Aquafina bottled water, right? We put some amount. And here we do have the Kangen water. Let's see what will happen with this. Okay. We will put like this. Oh my God, what happened? This one is going to bring out the color of the tea, right? We will change to the next glasses. Let's see what will happen. We will put some amount of normal tap water with the room temperature. And on the other hand, we will put some Kangen water. Wow, what happened again? Amazing, right? Okay, let me put this back here. As you can see, these two that we put the Kangen water, the normal Kangen water with the room temperature, could bring out the extract of the green tea much better than the normal water. This was the experiment. This is exactly what happens inside our body, inside our cells. So the Kangen water, let's say it goes inside the cells much better and can be very useful for our cells regarding doing the best metabolism and also extracting the bad waste items from the cells much easier. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, let's go to the next subject, which is regarding chlorine. Very important diluted poison, which we are going to drink every day. We can see a look here and how it will affect our body. So we will put some amount of normal tap water in this too. You know, this is the normal tap water that we drink every day. And also we do have here the amazing Kangen water. Okay. Here we do have an indicator for the chlorine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We will give some time to this one. So let the chlorine drop work for us. What does it show? When it changes to the yellow color, it shows that there is some amount of chlorine inside our water, right? So as you can see here, these are the two yellow colors, which is, it shows that there are much amount of chlorine inside our normal tap water. And here is the Kangen water, so normally we don't expect to have any chlorine, of course, using this kind of amazing technology. Normally what we do when we go to the market and buy some potatoes, for example, we come home and we want to wash them first of all, right? So what can we do? We will wash that one inside the water. Like putting some amount of this inside our water, right? Okay. Again, we go to the market and buy some amount of rice. What can we do? We put the rice inside the water and normally let it be for some time there because why? We want to wash that water. Okay. So normally we wash it. What does it mean? We are going to put it like this because we want it to be well washed before we want to drink or eat something. Right here as well, we do have the potatoes. This is what exactly happens for our meat, our fish, chicken, everything that we are going to eat during the day. So let's see what will happen. Here as well. Oh my God, what happened to the yellow color here? You can see that all the yellow color, which shows the chloride inside the water, is going to be absorbed inside what we are going to eat directly. So this is how, unfortunately, we are getting some amount of poison chlorine every day gradually inside ourselves. Thank you so much for watching. Okay guys, now I want to talk about the normal tomatoes. These are the normal tomatoes, cherry tomatoes that you buy from the market. When you want to eat the tomatoes, what we do normally, you wash them with water, right? So I'm going to put some amount of tomato here, some here, some here, and some here, and let's wash them. Here I have some normal tap water. I will pour in that one and let the tomatoes soak a bit inside. Here I do have another type of a strong alkaline or a strong Kangen water. Let's see what will happen. I will put some amount of that on the tomato and let this one soak as well. Now I want to give you a flashback to the nice memories that you do have from long back, maybe in primary school or something. I want to ask you what will happen when you pour some amount of normal water on the surface of the oil. So I will put some amount of olive oil here, some amount of olive oil in this one, and let's see what will happen. When you pour some amount of normal tap water on the oil, as you can guess what will happen after a while, the oil will come above the surface of the water, right? Why? Because the oil doesn't have much weight. And here we are going to pour some amount of strong alkaline water on the oil and see what will happen. Wow, amazing, amazing. This is the only time that we can see oil and water can be mixed together. Now we go back to the tomatoes that we do have here. Normally the nice farmers, they are going to help us to have the very good kind of fruits, right? So the normal fruits, vegetables that they are going to grow, they put some amount of pesticide. Most of them are oil-based on the surface of the fruits. Why they do this? Because they don't want to rain to come and bring away all the pesticides. Because the pesticides are like preservative and they want to keep the fruits healthy until they're going to grow well. So here we want to see what will happen if we wash these normal tomatoes with the strong Kangen water. Then we want to compare washing this one with the normal tap water. So let me bring another two. Okay, like this. I will pour this one, and here I will pour this one. Wow, what happened? You can see the difference in the color, right? This is yellowish. What does it mean? So it means that here that we put the strong Kangen water for washing the tomatoes, it washed away the oil, dust, and everything that is not proper on the surface of the tomato for us. But here, we do have washed this one with normal tap water. Unfortunately, you can see that normal tap water cannot get the bad poisons out of the surface of the fruits that we eat, right, that we digest. So here we do have the normal water, so still we do have the poisons and everything and dust and bad features on the surface, but here we do have a clean, nice and very tasty tomato. Like if you were here, I would like you to eat it. Very delicious and very tasty. I can say it's kind of sweet one. Honestly, it has the taste of the natural ones that we eat when actually our grandfathers were in the farmers. But this one has a bit bitter taste, and also the texture is a bit different. Thank you so much for watching.
You're not sick, you're thirsty. Do not treat thirst with medication. Abnormal cells thrive in an acidic environment. Free radicals, a major cause of aging and disease. The countless names of illness do not really matter. What does matter is that they all come from the same root cause: too much acid in the body.